event of this year, Kumar Utsav, which is being celebrated today with another record number of people in attendance, is destined for a grand success. Our children, their parents and guardians have put enormous effort to entertain you throughout the evening. Please join me in a round of applause to commend their efforts. Number 2, we held a seminar of young entrepreneurship for kids facilitated by Dr. Sukant Mahapatra, Mr. Rajan Das and Mr. Satish Mahapatra. It was a great success. Several middle and high school students got motivated and participated in contest in last convention and won awards for their business plan. Our OSA NYNJ chapter is proud of these aspiring entrepreneurs. We are also planning to hold a similar entrepreneurship seminar on November 10th in South Brunswick Library to prepare our children to participate in entrepreneurship competition at the next convention in Chicago. Please encourage your children to join the seminar to keep their entrepreneurship aspiration a chance to succeed. Please give a chance to your kid. Please give a chance to your kid. We have been also continuing our Odia radio program Utkala Prabha every Sunday 9:30 to 10:30. Let me take this occasion to appreciate Pradeep Tripathi and many others who have committed to this program. You are welcome to bear your talent in program to take it to next level. We welcome any sponsorship to underwrite the cost of program. Now I have to update little bit at the OSA level, our national chapter. Our next annual convention 2013 will be held in Chicago in July 4th. We will have next election next year. That will be published in our Utkarsha. Our regional drama festival will be held in Washington DC this year. In fact, next weekend on Saturday. I will send out the email after this program gets over. I don't want you all to get confused with the programs, so I thought I will take an opportunity after this program gets over. And some OSA initiatives I want to update you. I understand many people don't know what is happening at the OSA level. So I thought I should update and it will be helpful to everybody to know what is going on. Number 1 is Odisha Higher Education Workshop and Symposium. OSA officials, they go to Odisha, do some workshop in university to attract talented students to come study overseas. Also, they are trying to facilitate opportunity for collaboration between Odisha universities and USA. Number 2, there is an initiative for Let's Learn Odia program. Every Ganesh Puja from last Ganesh Puja onwards, every chapter they are having Odia debate competition among kids from 7 to 12 years old. We also did in our last Ganesh Puja, and 11 participants participated beautifully. They talk in Odia. It was amazing to see them. We are going to give them certificate and some gift card in this occasion. Another point, Champu and Chanda. It is initiated by our very own Lata Mishra, our Lata Nani. She wanted to keep our Oriya iconic Oriya classical music alive in our next generation. Please give a round of applause to Lata Nani. The number 4, as I said, we are working on some strategy to improve the communication between our local chapter and national organization, so that the communication between the chapter member and OSA should have some connection and they should know what is going on. We have forms available outside at the registration. Anybody wants to register for live membership, they can collect the form, send the form to OSA, or they can fill out here, give the check, we can do the work for them. It is very important for us to strengthen our organization. We need people to be members. Once it becomes a strong organization, we can also give you some benefit out of it. So I would encourage everybody, whoever could, please be a live member. The last but not the least, National chapter is working with Odias in Houston to establish a Odisha Cultural Center with a physical address for OSA and an archive of all documents related to OSA. Work is going on, it's not yet finalized. I believe there is some building already acquired and work is in progress. You can find all the printout outside at the registration. With this, on behalf of organizing committee of Kumar Purnima and the office bearer of OSA NYJ chapter, I would like to express our deep appreciation and sincere thanks to the members of OSA NYJ for rendering their time and talent to make all our ideas feel home away from home in this tri-state area. We could not emphasize more that the success of the chapter depends upon your participation. At the same time, we are committed to provide transparency in operation and sharing data to let you know our financial standings. To this end, a financial document is available outside. Let me conclude by appreciating our sponsors. Some of us have sponsored for Kids Pizza and Kids Prize. I appreciate their sponsor. I hope you will enjoy the evening that is intended to celebrate our great Odia heritage and bring our Odia community together. आपण मानकु आउ थरे ओडिया कुमार पूर्णमी शुभ अभिनंदन जनाऊँगी। आज कुमार उत्सव उद्घाटन पाई मु आज आमर प्रिय लुलु भाई डॉक्टर टी पट्टनायक हमको आमंत्रण करुच्ची दीप जलाई कुमार उत्सव इनाग्रेशन करंतु। डॉक्टर पट्टनायक प्लीज कम टू द स्टेज।